Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed addition and subtraction word problems. In this video we will discuss some more addition and subtraction word problems. Today our topic is addition and subtraction word problems. Mr. Furqan is a salesman in a publishing company. He has been given a target to sell 198,123 mathematics books, 327,154 English books, and 123,133 storybooks, and 421,124 dictionaries. What is the total target given to Mr. Furqan? If the total target has to be 1 million, how many more or how many less books should he sell? He has given a target to sell mathematics, English, story and dictionaries books. We will add all of them. We start from units. First of all we will add 3 and 4. In 3 if we add 4 we get 7. In 7 we will add 3. We get 10. In 10 we will add 4 and we get 14. We will write 4 in the units column and we will carry forward 1 to tens. Now we will move towards tens. In tens column there is 1, 2. In 1 we will add 2. We get 3. In 3 we will add 5. We get 8. In 8 we will add 3. We get 11. In 11 we will add 2 and we get 13. We will write 3 in tens column and we will carry forward 1 to hundreds. Now we will add hundreds column. In 1 we will add 1 and we get 2. In 2 we will add 1 more. We get 3. In 3 if we add 1 we get 4. In 4 we will add 1 more and we get 5. We will write 5 in hundreds column. Now we will add thousands column. In thousands column there is 8 and 7. First of all we will add 8 and 7. Students, add 8 and 7 and tell me the answer. Yes? It's 15. In 15 we will add 3. In 15 if we add 3 we get 18. In 18 if we add 1 we get 19. We will write 9 in thousands column and we will carry forward 1 to 10,000s. Now we will add 10,000s column. In 1 we will add 9 and we get 10. In 10 if we add 2 we get 12. In 12 if we add 2 we get 14. In 14 we will add 2 and we get 16. We will write 6 in 10,000s column and we will carry forward 1 to 100,000s. Now we will add 100,000s column. Here we have 1. In 1 if we add 1 we get 2. In 2 if we add 3 we get 5. In 5 we will add 1 and we get 6. In 6 we will add 4 we get 10. We will write 0 in 100,000s column and we will carry forward 1 to millions. As there is nothing to add, so we will write 1 as it is. The total target given to him is 1,069,534. If the total target has to be 1 million, how many more or how many less books should he sell? From 1,069,534 we will subtract 1 million. We start from units. we have to subtract 0 units out of 4 units. If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. It means if we subtract 0 from 4, we get 4. Now we will move towards tens. We have to subtract 0 tens out of 3 tens. If we subtract 0 from 3, we get 3. Now we will move towards hundreds. We have to subtract 0 hundreds out of 5 hundreds, and here we are left with 5 hundreds. Now we will move towards thousands. We have to subtract 0 thousands from 9 thousands. If we subtract 0 from 9, we get 9. Now we will move towards 10,000s. We have to subtract 0 from 6. We have to take away 0 10,000 out of 6 10,000s. If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Now we will move towards 100,000s. From 0, if we subtract 0, we get 0. Now we will move towards millions. We have to subtract 1 out of 1. If we subtract 1 from 1, we get 0. We don't write 0 in the highest place value. It means 69,534 books he has to sell. 69,534 less books should he sell. 3 containers loaded on a truck weigh 34,670 kg, 55,000 kg and 170,050 kg. What is the total weight loaded on the truck? If the truck can carry 350,000 kg, how many more kilograms can be loaded on the truck? What is the total weight loaded on the truck? To find the total weight, we will add all the weights. We will add 34,670, 55,000 and 170,050. We start from units. In units column there is 0. If we add 0 in 0, we get 0. In tens column there is 7, 0. In 7, if we add 0, we get 7. In 7, we will add 5 and we get 12. We write 2 in tens column and we will carry forward 1 to hundreds. In hundreds column there is 1, 6. In 1, if we add 6, we get 7. In 7, if we add 0, we get 7. Now we will move towards thousands. In thousands column there is 4 and 5. We have to add 4 and 5. Now students, add 4 and 5 and tell me the answer. If we add 4 and 5, we get 9. In 9, we will add 0 and we get 9. Now we will add 10,000s column. In 3, we will add 5 and we get 8. In 8, we will add 7. In 8, if we add 7, what will we get? We get 15. We will write 5 in 10,000s column and we will carry forward 1 to 100,000s. Now we will add 100,000s. Here we have 1 and 1. If we add 1 and 1, we get 2. The total weight is 259,720. If the truck can carry 350,000 kg, how many more kilograms can be loaded on the truck? As truck can carry 350,000 kg weight and the weight loaded on the truck is 259,720. We will subtract it to find how many more weight can be loaded on the truck. We start from units. We will subtract 0 from 0. If we subtract 0 out of 0, we get 0. Now we will move towards tens. We have to take away 2 tens out of 0 tens. As we cannot take away 2 tens out of 0 tens, we take borrow from the non-zero digit, that is 5. From 5, if we take borrow 1 10,000, here we are left with 4 10,000s. Now we take borrow from 1000, here we are left with 9,000s. If we take borrow from hundreds, here we are left with 900s. Now we can easily subtract 2 tens out of 10 tens. If we subtract 2 tens out of 10 tens, here we are left with 8 tens. From 10 tens, if we subtract 2, we get 8. Now we will move towards hundreds. We have to subtract 7 hundreds out of 9 hundreds. If we subtract 7 out of 9, we get 2. We have to subtract 9 thousands from 9 thousands, and here we are left with 0. Now we will move towards 10,000s. We have to take away 5 10,000 out of 4 10,000s. As we cannot take away 5 10,000s out of 4 10,000, so we take borrow from 100,000, and here we are left with 2. Now we can easily subtract 5 10,000 out of 14 10,000. We are left with 9. If we subtract 5 from 14, we are left with 9. Now we will move towards 100,000. We have to take away 200,000 out of 200,000, and here we are left with 0. We don't write 0 at the highest place value. 90,280 kg weight can be loaded on the truck. In this video, we have discussed addition and subtraction word problems. In the next video, we will discuss some more addition and subtraction word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.